Hi everyone, it's Cecilia here from Lordhair, and I'm going to show you the newest products that we have in our stock. So this is a S15 Plus hair system. It's very easy to attach, undetectable and light. Here is why. As you can see, the base is made of very thin skin, and it has, which is very easy to attach. It's the easiest material to attach to your scalp. While here in the front we have a lace layer which gives a more natural look to the hair system. Moreover, the knots here in the front hairline have been bleached, which adds even a more natural look to the hair system. This hair system is available in a standard base size, which is 10 by 8 inches, and it's available in 3 colors that are, this is 2, we have 1B and 1 as well. That's all from Lordhair for now. Remind you that every piece has a 30-day money-back guarantee. Moreover, they are available for immediate shipment. That means that you order and within 24 hours they will immediately ship to you. If you need any further information, you can contact our customer support at support@lordhair.com or visit our website on www.lordhair.com.
Lordhair, for a better you.